two person is going to come up, and the topic is how are we going to use the grants to upgrade the school. So we have different arguments, and we're going to do a debate with each other. Rachel, let's speak first.
Hello, I'm the student president from Pyeongchun Elementary School. I heard our school president told us that our school was awarded $10,000 grant we could use to improve our school. So I came up here to help improve my school. Now I'll begin my speech. These days, the pollution is getting worse and worse, so the yellow dust and microdust travels frequently to Korea. Also, Korea has a monsoon season in summer where it rains cats and dogs. Besides, there can be many other obstacles that take over our PE classes, such as coldness, overheat, etc. Also in summer, these obstacles take away our PE classes. Do they? Do they really? Yes, they do. PE classes are very important because it helps us maintain our health. If we do not move our body, we won't be able to have enough exercise, which will make us dull like Hansel and Gretel. Also, according to the latest science news, scientists say that a moment of exercise helps you concentrate more in class because it gives you oxygen in your brain cells, which helps your brains work better. Another significant part is that these days, students eat a lot of fast foods such as hamburgers, ramen, etc. This ruins your health. So to prevent from getting fat and unhealthy, we must have PE classes, but not inside our classes in a confined restricted place. I believe that we should use the grant to build a gym for the students. These days, PE class is becoming the most popular and important subject at schools. Also, students like playing sports in order to release their stress in studying, such as math or Korean. But most schools do not have gyms. We need a gym in order to have better classes and a better program. Because of those problems, students lose more and more chances to enjoy their PE class outside with their friends. To prevent this, we must have a gym. If we have a gym when there's yellow dust, we can close the windows and use air purifier to keep the air clean so the students can enjoy their PE class even if the weather is terrible. Another reason is connected with the weather temperature. In summer, the weather is extremely humid. The students are most likely to run or play active sports outside. But some days when the weather is oppressively sweltering, if the students play outside too much, they can pass out because of the heat. Also, if it is too hot, the students have a hard time playing outdoors because they'll keep on sweating and it's hard to move outside. In winter, the weather gets extremely cold. So the students won't be able to move because it is too cold to do anything. Also, if they wear thick outwears, it bothers them in moving. Their hands will be freezing cold, so they won't be able to actually do some kind of actions either. They can't move, so in conclusion, we need a gym. Recently, it became cold, and since winter began. One day, it was -6 degrees, and it was freezing cold. But since we didn't have a gym, our class had to have our PE class outside. All the students wore fluffy clothes, and they looked like penguins. Our class was about soccer, so we had to run and kick and move actively. But since we all wore fluffy paddings, we couldn't move well and couldn't enjoy our PE class when PE class is the only active, most exciting subject in class. Also, like I said before, the yellow dust visits Korea frequently. So there are more and more chances to do PE class inside or just cancel it. There are other obstacles that affect our PE class, such as rain, snow, weather, etc. I will no longer talk now, but I hope you will understand the importance and how desperate we need a gym. Thank you. Now Olivia will do her speech.